What's up, dudes? Welcome back to Resident Evil 3 Remake. And we're going to be continuing where we left off. Well, not actually where we left off, because I did a little bit off camera. Where, you see here, I went to the store, literally like 10 feet down the road, and got a box with a jewel in it, high-grade gunpowder, and first aid spray. So, yeah, I will be doing that in between videos. I'll be going off camera to go back and check some stuff. That's where I got it right there. Gotta get past those zombies. But yeah, if you guys don't want me to do that, and you guys want to see all of it, then let me know in the comments and I will do it. But yeah, let's continue the story.
Here, UBCS?
Yeah, careful, careful.
Bro's definitely infected.
Come on, don't look at me like that, alright? I'm not uninfected. No, wait, please!
Headshot.
What the f?
He was infected.
He might have been infected.
Oh, stars, this soft.
90% chance he's infected.
And what are you, UBCS? Killing your own people?
He would have turned. There's your sense of self-preservation. Go back to the subway station. We don't need a bleeding heart like you getting in the way.
Alright, shotgun shell. Or anything else? This guy's got... That's not his wallet. He's got a journal. They took him out of jail for murdering 20 gangbangers, dude. What? Bro, they're like SCP, bro. They just take these guys. They take the class D's, is that what they're called? Alright. Some chalk. So they ate them kids, I guess. Dude here. Some bullets. He's also got a journal. A suit note. Dude, he's been everywhere, I guess. Alright, so he got bit. And, took the easy way out, I guess. Nothing back there. Electric generators. Okay. So it's just electric barrels. And there's one there, so there's... Okay. The dogs are coming. Alright, he just eats all those headshots. Bro, what was that bloom, bro? They shot half my bullets around his head. So annoying, bro. What the hell? Anything over here? Hey, buddy. Having a good time. You guys having a good time here? Bro, why are these guys so big? Why are these guys so huge, dude? The zombie virus makes them bigger? Box here. Some gunpowder. Alright. Can I pick that up? Yeah. through here. Got an autosave. Is there any zombies in here? There's a zombie. There's another zombie. Kill this one. He's still going. Alright, that should be good now. Get away from me, buddy. Oh my god. Did I just get a critical? Yeah, I don't think he's getting up after that. Oh my. She's still up, bro. I stabbed you 15 times. Dude. I guess they were all in her legs, so. Doesn't really do anything. Dude, I stab her 16 times with 3 shots and she's dead. I just shoot her 4 times and she's dead. I don't understand that equation there. More gunpowder. A lot of variety. Also, what is it all? Dude, this is disgusting, bro. I know it's a zombie apocalypse, and also those are some huge cigarettes. Why is everything so big? Except me, I'm so small. Like, those cigarettes are huge, bro. I know they're zombies, but like, dude, that's like a bunch of water bottles and shit. You guys are just drinking that here? Just throw them on the ground and crumple them? Like, outside was cleaner. You guys are slobs. Then let's mix these then. Alright. Red herb. Is that all then? Oh, is that a pouch? Oh yeah. Give it to me. Oh, we already got a save. Let's store that and that. Yeah. Note. They put an outage because of the zombies. Activate 4 breakers. Turn the main power switch. Alright. Pretty obvious. One of these notes that just... Alright, we gotta save here now. Took no bites, killed 2 dogs and 3 zombies. Pretty good. Alright then, I'll go a little more.
Oh, smells like.
Ew.
Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
Maybe I shouldn't go more. Be fine. Dude, how many journals are just left around? Some maggots squirming down their throat?
Oh! Ew!
They're natural bug deterrents? Yeah, it just throws up a bunch of maggots, bro. That is disgusting, man. There's this fleshiness. Well, there'd definitely be maggots on this random flesh that's just growing. They're gonna like fall on my head. slide into my mouth. A lockpick? Wait, so that's how I open the old ones? Alright, so it's the quest to get a lockpick. Alright, I gotta keep my eye out for maggots, I guess. Is this guy gonna be alive? This guy doesn't have a note by him, so I don't think he killed himself. Alright, well, he's not a zombie, I guess. Oh, he's gonna jump at me. Hey, I tried to stab him. Are those the maggots? Now I have a red
Oh
box.
my god.
Last one was a blue box. Those spiders? Ew. Ew. I still don't trust this fleshiness. Okay, I don't know how I withstand the first shot. Is there nothing here? Hey, get out of my way. There's nothing here. I have to find a lockpick somewhere. Oh, is it in this case? I thought this was gonna be a gem. Ta-da! They find that nice ass case, it's all rusty and disgusting. Come on, man. Not the gun. Alright, so this is definitely do a gun. What? What was that? Dude, what was that? It's like a, ew. It's like a butthole. You just poop? I just see it poop? Or is that the vagina? And they just had a baby. Alright, let's, you know, both aren't very appealing things, but let's save. Okay, we can combine our herbs. Get that out. Combine. Store. Store. Combine. 60 is the max. How many bullets in here? Now I do. Put that there. Alright. So I know there is locked doors back there. There's one that was on the road. I think on that street is as far as I'll go. I don't want to go all the way back because then I have to go all the way back again. And there's just no point. But, I mean, look at the map here. There's a simple lock here. Oh yeah, right here. I'll definitely do this one. Is this locking both of them? I'm glad I just have lockpicking expertise. I guess I'm part of STARS. That's part of the training, I guess. I can't open that one. Dude, there could be like 1,000 bolts in there. I don't know. Alright, so I remember if the room's like red, that means it hasn't been explored. Or looted fully. Yeah, currently searching. So that's the shotgun that takes the chain cutter. And then that's just the lockpick one. Another lockpick one. And then I need to reactivate the power, so I'm gonna go there. I'm always gonna go back there. This is the subway. So there's one of the logs. That's how you go back here. Did I not explore here? It's just cut off there. I mean, it's red, so I haven't. And that takes a lockpick. That's the subway station. That's the monument. Another lock. So I mean, I'm always gonna come back here, so is there really a point of going back right now? I guess not. Alright. 15 more bullets. Well, alright guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and check out my channel if you like that too. Be sure to subscribe. And then come back here and leave a comment. Well, really, you should leave the comment first, but leave the comment if you want me to go back off camera or you just want me to keep going. There could be some good stuff back there. Like maybe there's a machine gun in that store back there and I should go there right now, but I don't know. But yeah, let me know about that or whatever else you want to tell me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys later.